At SQL BI, we have improved our learning platform. One of the latest new features is the transcript for all of the lectures. The transcripts are synchronized with the video, and you can easily jump from one segment to another. You can choose different languages. We manually craft the English version of both the subtitles and the transcripts. The translations are automatically generated. We improved our bookmark system, adding the ability to highlight part of the transcript so you can easily retrieve a specific part of the video later. Finally, we added a dark mode as requested by a lot of our students. You can also customize the layout of the platform according to what looks best on your device. The platform comes with a discussion section at the end of each module, a progress tracking system, and your certificate of attendance. And if you work for a large company, don't forget our team management system for both transferable and untransferable licenses. We look forward to seeing you on the new platform.